loved dirt roads back when we had the ute. Never really been the same since.
Getting out of it.
Bit of water there.
Yep.
Wow. Off to the right looks saturated.
Both sides are soggy as. Nice and gentle fingertips. Nice and gentle fingertips.
As long as you don't say you're a leaf in the wind. This looks a bit interesting. The road's not to be shiny and wet. It's not supposed to look like that.
No, it's not.
Are we cutting the road up at all?
Difficult to tell. I ain't looking in the mirror.
Well, that's true. I figured you'd be able to tell from the drag on the wheels.
It's
Interesting.
interesting. Let's just say that.
Yeah. Speeding up might be a good idea.
Come on,
Shit.
come on,
This is scary.
come on.
Whoa! 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 Woo! Hey!
Wow, that was a fucking tank slapper and a half.
Let's make sure we keep that. That's a YouTuber.
Wow. I thought for certain we're going to fucking
Yeah, I was
spin.